everyone and welcome. I hope you're having a really great day. I'm here with Andy. He's over there in the corner taking a nap. Chuy's at work, so it's just me here today. And I thought I would do something a little different and show you around the apartment, a little apartment tour. Once people find out we live in Manhattan, they usually ask us, how big is your apartment? And then they're like, oh my gosh, that's all the space you have? Do you like that? Don't you wish you had a great big house? And to be honest, I really like living in an apartment. I grew up in a home with a typical, backyard and all that kind of stuff, but for New York City, it suits us. Yeah, we really enjoy it. One thing that's really great is a lot of the furniture stores here in Manhattan sell things that can fold down, fit in small places, those kind of things. The majority of our furniture is from Crate & Barrel, and they tend to be the masters of that. We have a huge dining room table that I bought years ago. It's solid cherry, and I have 6 big chairs and 2 leaves, and it goes up to fit 10 people. But where am I going to put that in this 500 square feet? There's not much room. So I found, as you'll see in a few minutes, I found a table that folds down, and it ends up, when it's folded, it's only about this wide, and then it's as high as a typical table. So yeah, they come up with all these amazing things for small apartments, so it makes it a lot easier, I'll tell you that. So come along and we'll take a little tour. Ko-osh. We're going to start in the living room with what sold us on the apartment all along, these beautiful 9-foot square windows. These pieces I purchased in Mexico. The Talavera on the left is a piece that I bought my very first trip to Cancun when I met Chuy. So it has a special place in my heart. The desk is really big, but I like having that much workspace. Luckily, we were able to make it fit. This is the front door, again, where we came in. The kitchen. I love the cherry cabinets. We have so much storage space. Art that a friend of mine did when she was young. Heading into the bathroom. More art from Mexico. This is the Aztec sun calendar, and I loved all the details and all the hand-carved pieces. I thought it was beautiful. And this is why we love the bathroom, because of this big soaking tub. It is wonderful in the winter. More Talavera. And this is the table I was talking about. This is how it folds down to, just this small width. It's really cool. And then there's another leaf there up against the cabinet, so it'll pull out and seat easily 6 people. More art from Mexico. All these photos, except for the Yankee one, are photos that I took. I love my zebra chair. I found it on Bloomingdale's. It was on sale. It was fabulous. So many Magic fans. And then these pots up here were from our wedding. We had them made in Oaxaca, and each guest got one. I took this at Magic Kingdom in 1983. This is from the church in Valladolid. And this unit is where our TV and all of our sound system and stuff is. But I love sitting there on the couch looking out at those big windows. And the pops of the brick red color I thought were really fun. Now we head into the bedroom. I chose this lovely blue color. It picks up one of the accent colors in the rug. Blue is a very relaxing color, so I thought it was perfect for the bedroom. I took these photos in Cancun, again in Valladolid. And this is a buffet, but because we only have one closet, this has now become our linen closet. More Oaxaca pottery. And then we head into the closet, the only closet in the apartment. It's 5 by 8 feet, and the shelving is from the Container Store. It's all Alpha. They did a really wonderful job. And literally all of our clothing, our luggage, all the extra stuff, everything fits into this one closet. All my handbags. Girl can never have enough handbags, right, ladies? My Haunted Mansion bag, yay! We keep all sorts of things in these bins that pull out, just like where our trousers are. And then right up above it is for jewelry. Necklaces on one side, and then the other is my earrings. I love this closet. It's really, really well put together. They do an amazing job at Alpha. In March of 1975, where is now Disney Springs, opened the Lake Buena Vista Shopping Center. We were there about a month after it opened, and at an outside gazebo, they had a Disney animator doing some sketches and talking to people about animation. I loved art, and so my dad said, go ahead and listen to the guy. And it was Harry Holt, and he did a couple sketches. He did Donald Duck and Goofy, and then he did Mickey Mouse. And then the lecture was over, and I went up and asked if I could have one of his drawings. And he said, sure, which one would you like? And of course I picked Mickey, because Mickey's my favorite. And he signed it, and it's become my prized possession. I love this. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing the apartment, and you learned a little something about apartment living here in the city. Thanks so much for watching. As always, we appreciate it so much. And we'll see you later. And thanks again for watching. Bye!